What's up, people? Today I'm gonna teach you how to fix the frame blending glitch that you have in Eclipse. So for example, I have this clip. Okay, you can see the FPS over here. When I turn on frame blending, you can see this glitch. This shit ass glitch. When I turn it off, it's okay. So I'm gonna show you today how to fix that. Just go back when you don't have any more the glitch. Okay, just one frame back. Press Ctrl Shift and D to cut this out. Go to the right when it's end, when the glitch end, Ctrl Shift and D. On this part, turn off the frame blending, okay? And it's okay. I'm gonna show you how it looked before. Alright, let's go to method 2. Just go to composition settings and make sure this is on 60 frame per second, okay? Now turn off all this. Just go to export. You can do that render on media recorder, and you can do that on After Effects. So if you want to do that on After Effects, just copy my settings, go press on lossless, format, choose this one, go on the format options and just copy my settings over here. After that, press OK, OK, make a name for that, and I'm gonna render this real quick and I will be back. So I render the clip. As you can see, this is the clip. You can see the before. I do not turn on the frame blending. Make it simple as it is. So right now I'm gonna add motion blur and frame blending, and you can see this is okay. You don't have frame glitch over here. So this is method 2. Now I'm gonna show you method 3. You need Topaz for that. You can use Topaz Video Enhance AI or just Topaz Video AI. I'm gonna go to Topaz Video AI just to make the video smoother, you know what I mean? So this is the clip. I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna go to over here and just if you have you know settings over here, I'm gonna show you my settings. This is my quality settings. You can achieve quality also on this, and this is gonna be 60 fps 60 fps video, so this is gonna be very smooth. You can just copy my settings. You can see over here 60 fps. If you don't have this, if it's if yours like this fps, just press over here and make it 60. After that, press on export, and that's it. You're done.